Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix totally accurate battle simulator game not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen error on PC. So let's go through the method. The very first method is to restart your PC. This is an important step, so don't miss it out. Simply click on the Windows icon, click on power and select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your system restarts, now try to launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and here click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. It may take some time, wait for it. Now after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So you must check if your graphics card needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check if the game is launching now. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to run the game as admin. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, select it, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK. Then launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove or uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So let me search for the game. Here is the application. If you cannot find the game, then click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game, check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, then come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when our graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So you are suggested to check the graphics settings of the game or lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to check for Windows updates. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it and here you will get repair or install option. Click on repair, wait for some time. Now after you get setup successful message, now close this and restart your PC. After your PC restarts, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under background processes, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them. Now after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and then check if it's working now. Next solution is to disable mods. So if there is any mods enabled, then you are suggested to disable them before launching the game. Hopefully this solution will surely help to fix the problem. But if the issue continues again and again, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Totally Accurate Battle Simulator game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working.